So I'm going to give you some guidelines with respect to how do you prepare a project. So this is a new thing for students from BCom course. Like you are not doing any project work or anything, but self-finance. So students who are belonging to the self-finance course like BMS, BAF, BBI and all, they have the same thing, almost similar thing in their semester sits. So for BCom students, it's a new thing, but there is no, it's not at all difficult to do it. It's very easy thing. Only thing you have to little bit effort you have to put over here. And anyway, you're having only 3 subjects and this is the 4th one. Consider this as the 4th one. Okay. So just like internals exams for your subjects, same way internals and externals will be there for project also. And passing in internals and externals is also equally important over here. Now, what is this project work? It is undertaken or it's a study undertaken in a specific area, in a specific topic. Normally, when we are doing our PhD and all, we select a topic and we do lots of research in that. But for your project work and all, PG project work and all, it's not so much into deep end, like it's not so vast and all. You need to find a topic first. How do you find a topic then? You can just see over here, guidelines. I'll show you. Here you can see guidelines for project work. Now, as instructed by Mumbai University, your project work can be either a project work or an internship. Okay, but what is internship? What is project work? And I'll tell you. Now, before that, first thing is you have to select a topic. The project topic may be undertaken in any area of elective courses. Each of the student has to undertake a project individually under the supervision of a teacher guide, and the student shall decide the topic in consultation with the teacher guide concerned, and they can either make a project work or an internship. Now, in any area of elective course means, now your elective is management. Under management, you can select any topic. Preferably, I would suggest select a topic from the subjects which you are studying in this semester. In this semester, now you are having entrepreneurship management, I think. Then there is HRM. Then there is organizational behavior. This semester, preferably select a topic from any of these subjects. Now, when you're attending lectures, when you're getting the content of a PDF and all, you will find there are so many contents in that. From there, any one topic you can select. So once you are deciding a topic, you have to discuss with the guide, and further we will tell you what to do it.
From only one subject, we have to select any one topic, right?
Yeah, need
not from all
like,
3 subjects.
No, any one subject. Any one need not be the subject
Okay.
also. Like for example, preferably I'm telling take it from the subject, because next semester also project work is there. Semester 4 also you have project work. So that it's better to take the topic from the subjects. जैसे कि for example OB में कर रहे हैं, you can take a stress management topic. HR में कर रहे हैं, any topic, but it should be preferably under the management topics. Don't go for finance topics or any other topics. It could be something, for example, next semester you are having advertisement as a subject. That time you can easily take so many marketing topics. You will get so many marketing topics available. So preferably go for topic which in this particular, any of these 3 subjects, definitely you will get so many topics. That is why we are here. If you are having trouble in getting any topic, we will definitely help you out. So from this, first select a topic. Now, what is this project work or internship? Are you people working? Is there anybody who is working among here?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Then it's better you go for project work. Internship means that is basically aimed for students who are working, जो job पे जाते हैं. For them, instead of project work, they can submit an internship report. Okay. Now, the format is almost same, but internship report, the page numbers are less. वैसे differences है. But internship कर रहे हैं तो you should definitely get the certificate from that employer where that person is working, that he or she has been working for a period of this much days in this under me, like that वैसे जाएगा. But since you're not working, you can go for project work itself. Now, what is this project report? This is how a project report will be there. Now, what happens is that since last 1.5 years, we are not asking for binded projects. Okay. Now, what is a project report? Here you can see, you have to type it, you have to make it. Times New Roman is the format to be used, font to be used. with 1.5 line spacing, 12 font size. It should be around 80 to 100 pages, minimum 80, maximum 100 pages. It can be printed on both sides of the paper, and it should be bounded. Bounded means it should be binded properly. It should use both primary and secondary data. Now, when you are studying about research methodology, I think definitely you might have known about, you might be knowing about what is primary data and secondary data. Now, what you are listening to me, when you are listening to me, I am explaining to you about secondary. This is secondary data what I am explaining to you. क्योंकि ये मैंने नहीं बनाए हैं. ये जो भी चीजें मैं explain कर रहे, ये मेरे को university, when I attended a workshop or when I attended a webinar, when I went to the university syllabus and all, I got this data. तो ये secondary data है. तो प्राइमरी डेटा कभी होता है अगर मैं फ्रेशली आपको कुछ बता रहे हैं, दैट इज प्राइमरी डेटा. सो यू शुड बी कलेक्टिंग बोथ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी डेटा. नाउ दिस शुड बी द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट. देयर शुड बी एन इंट्रोडक्शन, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, review of literature, research methodology. I'll be giving you a sample also. When you read that, go through that sample, definitely you will be able to understand how it should be made.
Ma'am, sample will be better.
Sample I'll give you. But sample many times, like what happens last minute and all, the students send it. So, and if you are staying nearby, you can visit the college library. There are so many project reports in the college library. You can request, and you can take one, and that also is okay. If you want any help with respect to going to the library, just let me know.
Yes.
Okay, that also can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share a sample. I'll share a sample. That doesn't matter. Now, since you are not working, this is the format of the project report. Since you are not working, I'll skip this part. Internship में कैसे होते हैं कि they will have to work there, and it's as you can see over here, at least 20 days they might, or 100 hours they should have been working there, and 50 pages, page number कम है यहाँ पे, and topic भी same based on the electives itself, format भी ये same ही है, and but one main thing is they need the experience certificate. Then, how do we do the evaluation? It is for 60 marks. Viva is for 40 marks. Means internal, external, both will be there. And even like if without preparing project report, if you try to attend the Viva, that is invalid. Similarly, means Viva is also important. Project report is also equally important. Okay. Nowadays, as I told you, since last 1.5 years, we don't stress on submitting the physical copy of the project report, because most of the students will be like they are out of station, they are working, it's due to this pandemic, it's difficult for them to do all these things. We are just insisting on the soft copy, but that is compulsory. Based on that soft copy, we will be doing the evaluation. But now, as of now, we don't know if the college is reopening, maybe even they may insist for the hard copy itself. But as of now, go with the soft copy. Then there will be double valuation. Double valuation means project guide be marks देंगे. External examiner also will be appointed by the college. That is not your part. ये आपके लिए नहीं है. Then these are the similar contents of the internship report. How it will be marking. This is also not for you. This is not for you in the sense how it is marking, and you can see like introduction, how much mark will be covered, presentation, analysis, findings, and all, how it is done, conclusion, recommendation, and all, mode of inquiry. Like this is about your Viva. How you are presenting your project report finally to the guide as well as the external examiner. So how do we select a topic now? How do we select a topic? This is about the guidelines. I will share this one also. I'll share the recordings as well. But how do we select a topic? Abhi, yes. So many lectures you have already attended, na? At least two lectures anyway you have attended of all the 3 subjects. Usme se any topic you can select. Otherwise, you can, if you search in the internet, you will get lots of topic. From that, you can select an easy topic where you think you will be able to work on that topic. So, but when you're taking the contents from the internet, see that you're quoting them. Quoting means you should give the reference that कौन से site से आपने निकाला है. Otherwise, it will result in plagiarism. Plagiarism means आप किसी और के content copy कर रहे हैं. That is not fair. You can copy it in the sense you can collect the data from there, but you have to mention the website from where you have collected that data, collected that information. So how do we select? Like for example, I'll tell you, just now I told you कि आपके subjects, there is entrepreneurial management, I think, then HRM, OB. I'll talk about my subject, for example, organizational behavior. Mein you can study about, you can conduct a study about, as I told, stress management. You can conduct a study about employee turnover in an organization. Employee turnover means why the people are leaving an organization, reasons for employee turnover, or you can any topic you can select. So this is about, I'll give you a sample, okay, that then using that sample, don't you just use that sample for the reference purpose only, don't completely copy paste the same thing. Remaining, if you like, if you're having problem with the like laptop, if you're not having laptop at home, or if you're not having PC at home, that also please let me know, so that accordingly we can allow you for using the library computers. Okay, so it should be done by you, that is more important. You can copy in the sense you can take the data from the internet, but you should provide the references over there. Now what is introduction? आपके टॉपिक के बारे में आपको थोड़ा बहुत इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. Statement of the problem. What is the thing which you are going to study about? For example, stress management among employees. That is a statement of the problem. What is the objectives of the research? What are at least 3 to 4 we can say. We can say minimum 3 objectives should be there. And I think up to 5 objectives that we can keep it. Based on that objectives, your study will be going on. Then review of literature. What is review of literature? Review of literature means इसके पहले ये सेम टॉपिक पे ऊपर किसी और ने स्टडी किया ही होगा. सो दैट इज रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर. एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर यू कैन टेक इट, एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर मिनिमम 80 पेजेस होना चाहिए. तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल हैव टू प्लान योर प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट. रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर, अगर स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट टॉपिक आप में से किसी ने सिलेक्ट किया है, आप ऐसे टाइप करके देंगे कि रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर इन स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, यू विल गेट सो मेनी कंटेंट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू read. First read, don't directly copy paste, read about it. If it is matching your research, then you can take that. Otherwise also there are so many textbooks related to HRM, OB and all in the library. From there also you will get review of literature. Means आपके पहले जिन लोगों ने स्टडी किया है उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर में. Then research methodology, very important part. How did you collect the data? Nowadays it's very easy to collect primary data. प्राइमरी डेटा मतलब फ्रेशली अवेलेबल डेटा. कैसे? गूगल फॉर्म बनाना आता है क्या आप लोगों को? You can.
No, ma'am.
You can look.
No, ma'am.
It's very easy to make a Google form. From that, you will be able to easily send the Google form among your friends, relatives and all. उसके थ्रू आपको डेटा मिल जाएंगे. तो वो एक सोर्स है प्राइमरी डेटा. इसमें ऑलरेडी लिखा है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, आपको देख सकते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट शुड यूज बोथ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. तो प्राइमरी भी लेना है, सेकेंडरी भी लेना है. प्राइमरी अगर बिल्कुल पॉसिबल नहीं है तो यू कैन रिलाई ऑन सेकेंडरी ऑल्सो, नो इश्यूज. सो सोर्सेज ऑफ डेटा कलेक्शन मेंशन करना है. मेथड्स, कैसे डेटा कलेक्ट किया है, सैम्पलिंग मेथड, टेक्निक्स, क्वेश्चनर चाहिए. व्हाट इज अ क्वेश्चनर? क्वेश्चनर देखा होगा आप लोगों ने एटलीस्ट. क्वेश्चनर इज अ मेथड ऑफ डेटा कलेक्शन. पूछते हैं आपने कंज्यूमर सर्वेस वगैरह आपने एटलीस्ट देखा तो होगा एटलीस्ट. डू यू यूज दिस?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
That is questionnaire. Question, at least 10 to 20 questions should be there. और वो questions should be based on your topic, based on your objectives. फिर 10 to 20 questions बनाने का है. उसके ऊपर जो लोग आंसर दे रहे, yes, no या true or false, whatever it is, वो डेटा को अपने को एनालिसिस करना है. I would suggest go for simple percentage analysis, is easiest method. Percentage analysis मतलब जैसे कि कितने लोग ने yes बोले, कितने लोग ने no बोले, like that, percentage of people. And at least try to collect, if you're going for primary data, try to collect the data from at least 50 people, 50 respondents. Then उसके बाद data analysis के बाद findings, आपको क्या समझ में आया ये कंडक्ट करने के बाद. फिर conclusion, suggestion, bibliography. बिब्लियोग्राफी वगैरह में आप लोग वो रेफरेंस जो मैंने बोला था ना, अगर नेट से सर्च कर रहे तो उसका लिंक वहां पे मेंशन करना है. So one by whenever you're having any doubt, I'll clear the doubt. There is no issue. First, I will share a sample with you. Go through that sample. Don't fully rely on that sample because many of the students make mistakes over here. Don't fully rely on that, but little bit idea you will get कि कैसे होते हैं ये. 80 to 100 pages. If you want, you can add some pictures over there. Pictures means good quality photos and all, which is matching to your research topic. Okay. So anything else? This is how you will do a makeup project. And if you want help for using the computer, it is you can Many students do it on mobile, but mobile में type करने के लिए वगैरह के लिए बहुत time लगेगा. Many students do that, but if it's better if you're having a laptop or a computer. For that, you can approach me if you want to use the library. Library computers and all are not occupied much nowadays. If you want, you can take my help.